Hello and welcome. So I am about to go into work right now, and I would just want to say that today I think I'm going to start researching. Well, I am going to start researching more into keto, and I'm going to put together keto meal plans and try to see if I can meal prep so that I can follow that and stick to it. So after work today, I'm going to go put them together and I'm going to go shopping, and I'll bring you along with me. And then, I don't know, just follow me on my journey to see if this actually works. I'm driving right now. I'm on my break, on my lunch from work. I actually haven't been able to research my new diet, but I went to In-N-Out and I got a cheeseburger, protein style. No, it's really good. But now I'm going to go to Target and hopefully only get kombucha, because that is all that I want, all that I need, but I will probably end up coming out with something else. I know this isn't the diet, but I mean, I'm trying a little bit just to at least I'm not eating a taco salad from Pollo Loco, because I always end up eating the whole thing, all of it. So I'll be right back. Wow, they took out the kitchen. They just only left Starbucks. I actually just remembered that I really need concealer. Okay, where's it? Here it is. This is like the best concealer for no makeup days. Right here. Physicians Formula has this new highlighter. Look at that. It's too yellow for me. It's so pretty though. Good idea. Good concept. They also have rose gold. Alrighty, so I am back. I got kombucha and I just needed eyeliner as well. So I got the Fit Me in Sand. I love this. Did I say eyeliner? I meant concealer. I love this concealer because when I don't really like wearing foundation, so I like to use that instead, and it blends into my skin really well. It's not too heavy, and it looks nice. And then I don't want anybody to see me. And then I also got this, the kombucha in tart cherry. So let's see how it is. I know it's probably not ideal, you know, the In-N-Out and then this, but I mean, I guess it's better than other stuff I could have had. Let's try this one. Let's see what it tastes like. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I've had worse, like the ginger ones. I know ginger is good for you, but no thank you. Oh yeah, look at that. No wonder it was so heavy. Mira, there it is. Should I take a bite? Let's see. My parents are really watching me. It's really good. I'll make through some of the lettuce once I get to the meat. I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so here we are. The best part. Let me turn it. Best part right here, look. Oh. Ew. Oh! I almost dropped it. No, this is a mess. And like I said, I'm going to choose my meals and plan it and prepare. and so we can be on the actual track, and then hopefully my face will slim down because I'm looking a little chunky in the cheek area, like a little chipmunk. And yeah, I have just about 30 minutes of my lunch left, so I'm gonna start driving back. And that way I'm there already, so I can just clock in or just go in when I'm supposed to be there. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Hello, it is just about 6:30 p.m. and I just got off of work. Like I said, now I am going to go shopping. Hopefully I figure out what it is that I'm going to, this lighting's terrible, what it is that I am going to prep so that I know what to buy. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drive home now. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that today is June 25th, 2018. Kind of the first day of my change of lifestyle, I guess you could say. So yeah, just wanted to have that on video. Alrighty, so I just got home and I'm going to have dinner. It's this. It's like a soup. It doesn't look too healthy, I know, but it has there's like a meat patty and then just chayote, which I'm not sure, it's some type of squash, and a little bit of carrots. I got a couple of potato pieces because I love potatoes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Ooh, that's not a flattering angle. Alright, so I'm bringing my dog for a walk right here. I didn't go grocery shopping because I'm gonna take Sophie for a walk. So I'm just going to go tomorrow morning, and then tonight I'm going to plan my grocery list.
To the ceiling. Let's go. 7 we kick up and back, in and back. 3